Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can do grammar check on sentences in Google search bar. So in here, if you want to see if the sentence that you write is correct, grammatically correct or not, you can use Google. Here, for example, I'm going to just write a sentence. Okay, okay, like this, for example, and you can just type in or add a grammar check at the end of the sentence. To do the grammar checks on Google search, click on enter. So after this, you can see at the top there will be this grammar check options. So Google will correct the sentence if it's not right. So I write before I wrote I would go to market, so Google correct it. I would go to the market. So my sentence is not really correct. So if you want to copy the sentence, you can just click on this copy button, and here you can just paste it somewhere else. So you can use this trick if you, for example, write a paper or maybe a message to your friends. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.